Hello, and welcome to Leon's Lockpad. We've got a night latch we're going to pick today. It is a Rob's Locks, number 5, and it's called the Devil's Crossroad. Push key down to open. There's the bit in. See? Push down, yep, and we open nice and smoothly. Right, well, as usual, before we do, if you're interested in lock sport and you want to get involved, please check out www.uklocksport.co.uk. You can find us on Discord at Extraordinary League of Pickers and on Lockpicking at Locksport at UKLP on Facebook. And if you like what you see on my channel and you want to see some more, please hit that subscribe button, that bell icon, as I make 2-3 videos per week for picking locks to challenge locks, to lock tutorials, giveaways, all types of locks stuff related really. Excuse me about the cough. Where I'm living, because the moors are on fire, my whole area is overwhelmed with smoke, and it's got me. I had to take kids to school this morning, so got on my chest a little bit. I think it was is it Garden Window who sent me this? I can't quite remember. I do apologise if you did, my friend. It's been so busy this week. I've had to start writing everything down because I've had so much on. Right, we're going to use, let's have a look. Well, we can go straight in. Nope, that warding's going to move, so we're going to have to pick on the right because the warding's going to be in the way. Let's have a look at the tension wrench. I think that fits in. No, it doesn't. It's flicking out. I need to do that. Let me just get a tri-flat. This one, usually a bit better. And I can see the interest for the giveaway are coming on strong, which is fantastic. Like I said, I just added a little bit more time on because there's people there who wanted. I can't use that one. It's too deep. I just go for a Trekmaster one. Try that one. Yeah, there's a few people I know still want to have a go. They've just been injured, but hopefully they'll get that done and then we can draw the prize. Oh, one other thing as well. The big padlocks, the ones for the destruction. Whoever wins it, you'll have to get it in. I'll send it you in 2 separate parcels. As altogether, it's like 4 times the amount of what the lock's worth. Something like 100. It was so much stupid at the post office. So found out if I just put them in 2. It cost me nowhere near that. But I'll just send them off at the same day, just separate parcels. So they'll still get to you, whoever wins them. Do you know what I'm fun with that? Where's my... There we go. And I'm going to try bottom of the keyway. One of them indecisive days today because it's hot. I've got to click on 5. I don't like that tension wrench in the bottom there. I'm getting nothing back off that now. Do you know what? Try the opposite. I'm going to try anti-clockwise. Because some locks don't like to be picked. So I can't use it like that. I think I am having one of those days. I am having one of those days. That's not helping. Well, it's not smoky outside. I can hear people coughing on the front as well. Not having fun with that one either. What's up with these pins at the moment? They're just not wanting to be picked. I'm not using heavy tension. Oh, we've got a bit of a fault set going, which is good. Everything's gone flat. I don't think that hook is now deep enough. That's why. That was the bobby keys. That was the super deep one. It wouldn't have worked with that. Oh, and we're open. Wow. Hell, it was just number one. That was a tricky little lock, that. Rob, my friend. Wow. It just didn't... Oh, I put these there. It just did not like my tension wrenches whatsoever. Well, we've got the key so we could lock it back up. But, yeah, we're having that. Yeah, I hope everybody's okay around the world. It was a scorcher yesterday. I know it's going to be a bit of a scorcher again today. Right, so let's have a look at the back. Where's that? Oh, smashing up my kitchen accidental. Clip, here we go. Oh, that clip looks triangle, that's weird. Ow! La 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 la. I just stabbed myself. Oh. It is one of them days. And this clip just refuses to come off. There we go. Sort you out properly in a minute. Right. Let's get a shim. Just in case. That one will do. Where's the key? Oh, peaceful day today as well. My daughter is out with her mother. She's got the day off, and obviously my son is in school, so it's like, way. Bit of a peaceful day, which I very rarely get anymore, which is cool. Well, then sometimes you can feel a little bit lost because the house is so quiet. You're not used to it. Right, so let's have a look what we have. Well, as you can see, everything needed picking. Nothing in the chambers, the core I should say. Let's get this down here a little bit, better view. Oh, nice serrated keeping. Another nice serrated keeping. Standard. standard, and a standard. Nothing done to the colour. Let's see what magic Rob put in here. Oh, that's very, very cool. I'll show you that in detail when we're done. Where's that spring gun? I don't know if that's a commercial or a homemade. We'll have a good look at that in a minute. Also, I'm sorry, I'm still working on getting links, so there's links on my channel. Feel bloody useless half the time. I used to be a bit of a tech head when it comes to laptops now, PCs. Now I know it to an extent still, but doing these links is an absolute pain in the backside. A tiny little spring. But yeah, I'll put Rob's name up there and everything anyway. You should be able to find it. It sounds like an Asa barrel pin, that one. Ooh, we've got a floating wafer. We've got a very nice floating wafer. Let's have a look. Nothing. Yeah, nothing was done to the Bible. But these pins are really nice work. Pull this over here. There we go. Yeah, so this, we've got a serrated key pin. There we go. And we've got another key pin with some slides. So actually, it's like an Asa pin. That's not been made. And then we got a standard, but it's slightly diameter than the next one. Another standard, and then another standard. And it's a good thing sometimes. That was a key pin, and look at the tip on that. It's like a little T-pin. It's very cool. That there, yeah, that's a commercial. Very nice spool though. And we've got a barrel type pin. There's this one's like the Asa. And then here, which is very, very cool. You can just see that. See that moving? We have a very small but very well made. You can see there's the hole where it's screwed on. The very well made floating wafer. That's very, very cool. And then we've got brass, copper, very small steel. It's like an American ring. Steel. Awesome job, Rob, my friend. Excellent work. That was a really good pick. It definitely chewed through my tension wrenches till I got the right one, but awesome lot, mate. So yeah, please check out Rob's Locks. Awesome guy. I'll put his name up on that and everything up there. I hope you enjoyed this video. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe. Bye. Don't forget to like.